Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to do a short video of our new 2023 Grand Design Imagine. This is the 22 RBE travel trailer. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see if you like it. Alright, starting up front, you've got the nice diamond plate rock guard, electric tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks with a cover, spot for a battery right there, which we do provide on new purchases. Nice big pass-through storage here. You've got battery disconnect over here as well, along with your satellite and cable hookup, a couple extra 110 outlets, and an outside shower. The Imagines are also prepped for an inverter, which is right inside that pass-through storage. Freshwater fill on this side. All fiberglass exterior. This unit weighs approximately 5,125 pounds dry and is 25 feet 11 inches overall in length. You've got exterior ladder, spare tire, prep for the Furrion backup camera up top, and then these are equipped with the on-demand hot water heater. One slide on the 22 RBE with electric awning and LED light underneath. Outside speakers right up there. We'll head on inside. As you walk in, you've got tons of kitchen countertop space. There's an extender right there. And then just a ton of storage down below. Sink with a cover there. Microwave. Your radio's right inside that cabinet there, and then you've got 3-burner and oven. Flat screen TV. And then the Furrion 12-volt 10 cubic foot refrigerator is standard. Huge bathroom in the back. Again, tons of countertop space. Huge medicine cabinet. Fan up above. Big shower with a skylight. Reclining theater seats there. And then up front you've got residential queen size bed with storage along each side and up above. And you've got TV backer location right there with hookups. And then on each side of the bed you do have cubby holes which have 110 outlet and USBs on each side. Your thermostat is right on the wall there, and your control panel is right there. That'll light up as you walk towards it, and that's got your slide out button, your awning, some master light switches, along with the availability to check your tanks. And you can connect this travel trailer to your smartphone by downloading the LCI app. I'll do one more walk around here. Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2023 Grand Design Imagine 22 RBE travel trailer, call or text at 218-740-4963. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.